how to turn off mobile hotspot automatically, or how to turn it off when no device is connected. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So let's show you how to do it. First we want to go in our settings, and then from here we want to go to connections, which is the first option for me. Or you can just go back and then go right here, search for your hotspot, your mobile hotspot, and you just have to press down on it, and then this page will be open. So now I will go back to my settings and show it you from here. So let's go to connections, and then we have to go to mobile hotspot and tethering. So click on that. And then from here, you can either turn this on or you can just click on the name. So click on mobile hotspot. You don't have to turn this on. So you have to click here on configure. And then here you have to click on advanced. So here you have to scroll a little bit down, and then here, as you can see, the second option is turn off when no device connected for. So here we have to choose a time. You can either choose it to never time out, or you can choose it to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 16 minutes, 1 hour. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.